Casement Windows Melville offer a practical upgrade with style, ventilation, and security in one package. Whether you need new Casement Windows Melville, residential Casement Windows Melville, or complete casement window upgrades for an older property, the right solution can improve curb appeal and indoor comfort. Many property owners looking for the best Casement Windows Melville choose options tailored to local architecture in Melville, New York, 11747, from classic suburban homes to sleek renovations near major Long Island corridors. Energy savings remain one of the biggest reasons to invest in energy-efficient Casement Windows Melville for your home. High-efficiency Casement Windows Melville help reduce drafts, regulate indoor temperatures, and support lower utility costs through all 4 seasons in Suffolk County. Double-pane Casement Windows Melville Suffolk County, insulated Casement Windows Melville, and weatherproof Casement Windows Melville 11747 are popular choices for homeowners who want year-round performance. Energy-efficient Casement Windows Melville Long Island are especially beneficial in areas exposed to changing coastal weather patterns across Long Island, New York. Material selection plays a major role in both appearance and maintenance needs for custom Casement Windows Melville. Vinyl Casement Windows Melville, Suffolk County, New York are a favorite for affordability, durability, and low upkeep, while wood Casement Windows Melville deliver warmth and timeless character for traditional residences. Aluminum Casement Windows near Walt Whitman Shops Melville provide a sleek, modern profile that complements updated homes and commercial-style aesthetics. From vinyl Casement Windows Melville to wood Casement Window Installers Melville NY, choosing the right frame material helps ensure your windows align with your budget, design goals, and long-term expectations. A trusted casement window company can make the installation process efficient and stress-free from consultation through final inspection. Homeowners searching for local casement window contractors in Melville NY often want dependable scheduling, product knowledge, and skilled craftsmanship that fits the needs of the property. A qualified Casement Windows Melville experts can recommend premium Casement Windows Melville, affordable Casement Windows Melville, and custom casement windows near Melville NY based on insulation requirements, opening size, and design preferences. Working with experienced casement window contractors helps ensure proper fit, smooth operation, and long-term performance. Replacement projects are ideal for improving older homes where windows have become drafty, difficult to open, or visually outdated. Casement Window Replacement Melville and Casement Windows Melville are common services for property owners upgrading worn frames, damaged hardware, or inefficient single-pane units. Premium Casement Window Replacement Melville Long Island can dramatically improve home comfort, while affordable casement window installation near Melville NY provides budget-conscious solutions without sacrificing quality. Window and casement replacement experts Melville NY can also assess whether full-frame replacement or insert installation is the best approach for your home in Melville, New York. Design flexibility makes modern Casement Windows Melville Long Island NY a standout choice for both renovations and new construction. Homeowners can explore casement window design options Melville ranging from minimalist profiles and expansive glass panes to divided light styles that match more traditional architecture. A casement window design consultation Melville, New York helps narrow down frame colors, hardware finishes, grille patterns, and glass packages for a cohesive look. For those building or remodeling, new home Casement Windows Melville Suffolk County, New York offer fresh opportunities to blend natural light, airflow, and exterior beauty into every room. Professional installation is essential if you want your windows to operate correctly and deliver maximum performance from day one. Casement Window Installation Melville and Casement Windows Melville should always be handled with precision to avoid issues with air leaks, water intrusion, or hardware misalignment. Residential Casement Windows Melville often include measurement, removal of old units, fitting of new frames, and finishing details that complete the project cleanly. From custom Casement Windows Melville to high-efficiency casement windows in Melville, Long Island, installation quality directly affects lifespan, insulation, and daily ease of use.